So today we are going to focus on the liver meridian. Liver qi deficiency is associated with stagnation of our blood flow and qi flow within our bodies. This is also associated strongly with the emotions of anger, frustration, rage, mood swings. So we're trying to cultivate, work the qi energy and stimulate that liver meridian to even out these imbalances within the body. Okay, if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of these free videos of Tai Chi, Qigong and low impact exercises that you can follow along at home. We're going to get started with our liver meridian exercises. 2 exercises today. The first one is called pushing up and bending to the side, and the second one is called tracing the liver meridian. Okay, so we're just going to do a quick warm up. Make sure you keep all the moves within your own comfort zone, listen to your own body and modify to suit. Try and feel your own flow, really feel like you are working and cultivating and stimulating the qi, the energy in and around our bodies. Okay, feet hip width apart, natural stance. Let's just turn our head to the right and back to centre and the other way. Chin to your chest. Always keeping the head under control as we just lift to the ceiling nice and gently. And tilt our head ear to shoulder. So stretching out our neck. We're going to do some shoulder rolls. So loosening the shoulders, taking it nice and slowly. Our favourite, knocking on the door. So twisting from the waist, making sure your knees are in a comfy position. This really is a great warm-up exercise. It gets the whole body involved. Really feels like I'm loosening everything off and preparing my body for exercise. Even though Qigong exercises are very low impact and gentle, it's still using all of our muscles, still using all of our body, so we need to make sure that we are ready to move. I'm just going to roll down and roll up, and again. I'm just going to move my feet. So heel turn back and forth. Okay, so our first exercise, pushing and bending to the side. So we're starting with our feet hip width apart. I'm just going to bend my knees slightly and just bring my hands up. One hand is going to push down. The fingertips are facing towards my midline here. So fingertips facing inwards and palm facing down to the floor. At the same time, I'm going to do the opposite way with my high hand here. So again, fingertips facing to my midline and the palm facing outwards to the sky. As I stretch and push those palms top and bottom, I'm going to lift up and stretch through the spine. Now I'm also going to add a little side bend. So we're bending over to really stretch up here, the spine, and we are creating a space here along the top of the liver meridian. We're going to come back down to the center. So hands pass here, and then we can go up the other way. So this is a way of just stretching out the body, taking it nice and slow, and bringing it down, and again. So really stretching and pushing those palms in opposite direction. You should feel a lovely stretch all the way up your body. We're creating space in our body around those essential organs so that energy, our chi energy, can move around the body and flow freely. So very simple exercise. Get into a nice rhythm and feel your own flow. Our second exercise is tracing the liver meridian. We're going to bring our hands round and then we're going to trace down, like again, pushing with the palms down the body, but we're not touching the body. Once we get to our knees, we're going to place our hands on the inside here, so just on the inside of our knees, and then we're going to draw that energy up, stimulating that liver meridian all the way up to the sides of our waist here, and then we're going to relax the hands. Bring them up and push down. Just bending the top of the body here so that you can reach your knees, and then we're going to draw up. So I'm really applying some pressure up those legs, up the inside of the thighs, stimulating that meridian. We're going again. Drawing up. Relaxing. Nice inhale and exhale, calm breathing. Really inhaling here as we're pulling up, and relax and exhale. Let's do it again. Combining the two into a qigong flow, I am going to alternate between the two exercises. So I will do a pushing and bending to the side on both sides, followed by one of our tracing the liver meridian. Neutral stance. Bending the knees, lifting the hands. Pushing and bending to the side. Tracing that liver meridian, drawing the hands up the body, relaxing. Keeping the breathing calm. If you can, a little bit deeper and slower than you would normally. And drawing the hands up. Really stimulating those energy points, the palms, the lao gongs, while we're pushing either direction and really stimulating this meridian as we're coming up. Let's do a couple more. Final repetition, one on each side. Let's draw the hands round and hold them at the dantian. Breathing in, breathing out, feeling calm and relaxed. Thanks for joining me again, guys. I appreciate all the support. Let me know how you're getting on in the comments section, and check out some of my other videos, really getting together a library of free content here for you to enjoy. Take care and see you next time.